Hello everybody. Today we're gonna see what is inside Eti's CRM-4 staircase timer switch. As you can see, this is a schematic. This is the actual PCB. You'll notice that this thing blew up. This is the relay. As you can see, the capacitor is blown. Also, the resistors are blown. Both of them. The metal oxide varistor is there. And the bridge rectifier, which I presume is what broke in the first place. Let's see what else do we have here. The shrunk relay is 24 volts, 16 amps. The other side has the regulator and the microcontroller. Yeah, that's about it. And the two variable resistors there. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay, this is fine. Oh, okay, this is shorted. Yep, it sure is shorted. This is also shorted. Yep, busted. And between those, I guess this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. So the problem is these little diodes are shorted. Okay, on that note, I will leave you with an image of the actual PCB. Maybe that helps someone. Okay, bye.